What's good, guys? Today has finally come. I'm now officially doing one-on-one coaching calls. Now these can either be Zoom meetings or Google Meet video calls. And basically you guys are able to ask me any questions about high level, any questions about getting your first customer or getting more clients. I can help you come up with some agency names for your agency or help you pick an appropriate domain name or even help you with your logo. And I'll give you my honest opinion whether I think it's amazing or it sucks. If you need help with your TikToks or your Instagram, I can help you with that as well. If you have your very first client sign up but you're kind of nervous about fulfilling for them, I can help you with that. And the best part about all this is you guys can share your screen and ask me anything you want. If you just want to tell me about your life problems, I can be your therapist. That works too. And the reason I'm putting this out now is because everything has been growing really fast, both my channel and everyone signing up under my course, and I'm getting a lot of questions in my DMs, which is great. Keep them coming. Please keep them coming. It's gotten to the point where I'm just working so much now that it's hard for me to actually respond to every single person really fast. So now I just believe it's finally time for me to roll this out. And of course, I want to put a reasonable price tag on this. I don't want this to be way too expensive for you guys, but it still has to be worth my while and my time. But you know, I'll never charge you guys like any of these other coaches who are charging $1,000 an hour, $1,500 an hour. Of course not. And you know, primarily I like to give out as much information as I possibly can for free, all on my YouTube and as much as I can on the free course. And to be clear, for anyone who can't even afford these calls, you guys can still text me, DM me, whatever, and I will get back to you. But this is just for the people who have a ton of questions and they want them answered now. They want to go down the list and I'm able to help them out as fast as I possibly can. So this is for those type of people who just want to start now. So how is this all going to work? Very simple. You guys are going to come to this landing page, and whenever you're ready, you should click on this button, click to set up Zoom meeting. Now it says Zoom, but once again, you can either do Zoom or we can do Google Meets. And then you just honestly have to fill this out. You'll just put your name, phone number, email, and then you can select either the 30-minute call or you can select the hour video call. And if you do the math, the hour video call is a better bang for your buck in case we have a lot to talk about. You just put in your card information and you just complete the order, and you guys will receive a text message and an email, but that text message will basically confirm your order and it will let you know that I will respond to you, and it will be personally me. I will personally respond to you a good day and time of your choosing of when we can get together. And I promise you guys, you will get the most value for getting on these calls with me. I will make sure that it doesn't go to waste. And I'll even tell you this, if there's a chance that in any of these calls where you just have a bunch of questions, I'm not able to answer them right then and there, or you have a situation and issues with your account, I'm not able to fix it right then and there. If that's the case, I will definitely write down the questions and I'll get back to you later on. We can hop on another call and I won't charge you for that second call in case I'm not able to answer any of your questions, but I do think I will be able to. And that's basically it, guys. If you want to schedule 30 minutes with me or an hour with me, we can just have all of your questions answered right off the bat and I can help you even set up your account. Whatever it is, just let me know and you'll receive a text message from me. See ya.